you, boy. What? Bro, what is your name? What is your name? Bro, what? Oh, no, what? No. Ah, you whipped me now. Yeah. Come on. Let's go. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Wherever the snail takes me.
Wherever the snail takes us. Let's go. Let's go. We there. We there. What the fuck? Bro, where did you get this?
It's an electric unit so I go underneath the inflatable snail costume.
Bro, do you do this a lot?
It's been a while. I haven't really done it since Halloween until this week.
Bro, that's fucking awesome.
Yeah, I thought it'd be funny.
Bro, you have a good night, bro.
Me too.
Here.
Can you come back over here so I can get a video of that?
No problem. Here, one second.